Howdy y'all, it's Allie here. Today we're going to be learning the chain rule. So you're probably thinking, does this have to do with chains? No, it has nothing to do with chains. So listen up. Oh. Alright, so this is the technical version how to write it. I do better with examples, but we'll do this first. So, if h of x equals f of g of x, then h prime of x equals f prime g of x times g prime of x. So this is what we call the mama, and this right here is what we call the baby. Alright, sounds a little bit confusing, right? Well, I'm here to help you understand. So, let's do an example. So let's say y equals the sine of x squared plus 1. So now, this would be the mama, and this would be the baby. So like I said, we're going to find f prime, so the prime of mama. So the derivative of sine, we've already learned, is cosine. So we got cosine, and then we will leave the baby there. And then we will multiply it by the derivative of the baby, which obviously the derivative of 1 would be 0, and the derivative of x squared is 2x. So here, folks, is our answer. C, our answer. Not too hard, right? So let's go over something a little bit more difficult to make sure you guys understand. Alright. Let that dry off for a second. Let's see here. Doing the time warp. Alright. Now we shall do negative 2x squared plus 1 to the 1/2. Alright, so first we have to think, what is the mama? Who here can tell me what the mama is? Oh, funny, it's the one outside of the parentheses. Who would have guessed? Mama, right there. So we take the mama out front, find that, because that would be the derivative, and then leave the baby. And then, of course, whenever you find derivatives here, you have to subtract 1, so it would then become negative 1/2. And then we find the derivative of the inside, so 2 times negative 2 would be 4, and then that 2 goes away, so times negative 4x. So now we get, for the final answer, negative 2x times negative, because the negative 4 and the 1/2 makes 2x, by the way, times negative 2x squared plus 1 to the negative 1/2. But you guys can see it there. I know you can't see it there. Okay, we're going to do one more problem because we need to incorporate like the sine, cosine, tangent, that type of stuff. Just so you guys get the full idea of the chain rule, the rule that has nothing to do with chains. Alright. So last but not least, we are going to do secant 4x to the 5th. So the mama would be, okay, so the mama would be the secant, so that would be tangent 4x to the 5th times the secant 4x to the 5th, because that's the derivative of a secant. And then we multiply that by the derivative of the baby, so that will be times 20x to the 4th. And here, folks, is our answer. Hope you guys understood. Hope you guys do great in calculus. That's all I got for you today, so chain rule, ladies and gents.